Welcome back to the channel. It's been a good 6 months. I've been busy on the house during the summer, so not had chance to do much on the engines. So this is part 5, as I say, and we're going to look at removing that water inlet connection on an E93A engine. So laid out on the table here are some of the tools I'm going to use. Step 1 is I'm going to get the hacksaw and saw off most of the connection. So I shall do that now. So basically, I'm going to hacksaw through it, but not quite right against the block. And I'll come back when I'm finished. Right, oh, it's a bit hard work. Anyway, cut through. So next job is to get the Dremel out with the little grinding burr on it and grind away until I can see the threads. So with the Dremel, I'll spin it up in a second. I'm basically going to work my way through until I can just see the threads. Obviously this is going to be really noisy, so you won't be able to hear me, so I'll do a short section. The idea here therefore is to get through till I can just see the threads. So you can see there I've cut the outer bit away, and basically to weaken it I'm going to just tap it with a chisel now and see if it comes free. If it doesn't, I'll do a little bit more with the Dremel and try again. Right, so I'm going to try and give it a whack here and see what happens. No, it's still pretty tough. And I hope you can see there, it's just starting to come away now and loosen, so I'll just keep at it until it basically cracks, and then I should be able to remove it. All right, there you go, piece removed, and then it's crushed in, and now I can just swivel it out. And there we go, removed. As you can see there, no damage to the threads. So basically clean them up now with a wire brush. And we can see if the new piece fits. As you can see there, I've cleaned it all up with an electric wire brush and a bit of a grizzly disc. And the component that I'm going to fit in is from small Ford spares. I can't remember how much it was, 20-25 pounds, something like that. You can obviously make it yourself if you want. But it fits well like that, and then obviously you'll need some sort of sealant in there. The light's going to fall. Need some sort of sealant, pipe thread type sealant. You could use all that rope type stuff. I guess silicon's probably no good for the temperature. It used to be a high temperature stuff, but all the threads are intact. So right, that's the end of part 5. Part 6 to follow. Thanks.